Hello everyone, welcome to our Movies Podcast. With me, Siti Loba and my friends. I'm Aisyah. I'm Susanti.
I'm Zilfa.
Okay, for today we will talk or tell about one of the childhood movies that was very hit. Of course, children born in the 200 are already familiar with this movie. What else if not Home Alone 1990?
Yeah, you're right, Ufa. That movie was very famous at the time. I remember always watching it with my family during the holiday season.
Me too. You know, Aisha, I really liked that movie when I was child. And for those who haven't heard of the Home Alone movie, now I will tell you about the movie. So, Home Alone is a comedy and family genre movie that was released in 1990. It's been a long time, isn't it? Although released in 1990, this movie only entered a year later to Indonesia. Because in the past, foreign movies were rather difficult to enter Indonesia. Starring Macaulay Culkin, Joe Pesci, Daniel Stern, Catherine O'Hara, John Hurt, Robert Blossom, and John Candy. This movie tells the story of Kevin McAllister, who is left at home alone, where the whole family goes on vacation for Christmas. While having fun at home alone, there are two thieves who try to break into Kevin's house. The child with a myriad of ingenious ideas also prank the robot by making various traps for them.
That's right, Susanti. And for the storyline, the movie begins with the McAllister family, who are busy preparing for a vacation with their extended family. Then comes Kevin, the main character. Kevin is the oldest child in the family. Maybe that's why he became his cousin and brother softest bullies. The person who bullied and blamed Kevin the most was his older brother, Buzz. Buzz throws a tantrum, but Kevin takes the blame. For that, Kevin was punished to enter his room. Kevin was very upset and wished his whole family to just disappear. The next morning, the whole McAllister were in a hurry to leave because they almost missed their flight. Forgetting about Kevin, they only realized Kevin was not there after arriving in Paris. They try to return home, but there are obstacles. Meanwhile, Kevin wakes up and sees his house empty. He thought his wish had been granted and he was very happy. He can do anything, make a mess, eat junk food to take Buzz saving. However, Kevin's fun did not last long because there were two thieves who apparently named Harry and Marv were planning to break into his house. Knowing this, Kevin wants to catch the thieves and work on them alone. Using the tools he found in his house, Kevin made lots of traps to trap the thieves. After that, we can see the silence of Harry and Marv, who are always caught in Kevin's traps. With a little help from Marley, Kevin's neighbor, the criminals are family caught. Kevin's brother, who used to like to work on him, become respectful because they could be strong alone against all these criminals. Mother and child also feel proud of the bad boy. Although, of course, they are also worried.
Wow, listening to this movie story again makes me nostalgic again about my childhood. By the way, Jilpa, Home Alone is a family movie that is still fun to watch until now, especially with the Christmas theme. Home Alone is a mandatory spectacle for the Christmas holidays every year. Home Alone might be inspired by the feelings of children who are left alone at home for various reasons. Sometimes, as a child, the level of fantasy is still very high, so hearing protection from the authorities seriously. The main character in this film, Kevin, actually eradicates the thieves alone. The first point is that this kid is very brave, but his name is also a fiction and comedy movie, so the storyline is of course exaggerated.
But I think that movie's storyline is less realistic because a real child in the real world would probably be more scared than Kevin, the main character of this film. The child may cry, try to call someone, an acquaintance, a schoolmate, teacher, uncle, aunt, grandparent, or call for help from neighbors and the police. But in this made-up movie world, the only person Kevin can grab is his neighbor, a helpless old man. Couldn't his parents also call Kevin and ask him to stay at a friend's house? Or ask his relative to keep Kevin at home? I guess it should be like that if it really happened in the real world. But if the story is like that, we will not get the Home Alone movie, which now has 5 film installments. I don't think any parent can forget to check on their children while traveling, right? Unless there are 50 children, maybe, times, yes, however, this is only a few family members.
Yeah, you're right. How hectic is they? Their mind can help but notice that someone is missing from the group, and that is his own family, not someone else. Then it seems that they are less panicked if I think they are going to be fair.
I pray that no child will follow Kevin McAllister's bravery in fighting bulgars alone. Remember, this is a movie comedy. To be precise, if it actually happened in the real world, I think it looks like the little boy will not succeed.
So don't try to follow, okay? Please remind the little ones watching with you. Don't copy Kevin. If there is a thief, hide and call relative as well as the authorities.
That's right. Remember that, okay? And by the way, I think our podcast time is up.
Oh my gosh, you're right. I can't believe the time goes by so fast.
Maybe because we are too preoccupied with telling stories about this Home Alone movie.
Yes, I think so. Okay, everyone. That's the story about the Home Alone movie in this movie podcast. I hope you all enjoy the stories from our podcast.
And see you again in next hour movies podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah, see you again.